In this video, we'll explore the JMP Tables menu. I'm using the company's dataset available in the sample data directory. The Tables menu contains functions that allow us to summarize, subset, reshape, and explore our existing data. The first option, Summary, we'll describe most. But first, let's step through these options. Summary allows us to calculate summary statistics for columns in the active data table. Subset allows us to create a new data table that is a piece of or a subset of the active table. Sort allows us to sort a table by one or more columns. Stack allows us to separate separate columns into one new column. Split is the opposite of stack and allows us to split a column into multiple new columns. Transpose creates a table whose columns were the rows in the original table. Concatenate is useful when we have multiple tables and we wish to combine the rows of one table to the end of the other. Join is a powerful feature allowing us to combine tables side by side. Update, not available here because I don't have two tables open, allows us to bring values from one table into the original table on the basis of some matching column. Missing data pattern allows us to explore patterns of missing data, and compare data tables is useful to identify differences between two open data tables. Let's explore summary as a way to create summary statistics for values we have in this data table. Here, we have to request for any particular column what statistics we would like summarized. I'll start by choosing a variable in my data table. Suppose I'm most interested in the sales of these different companies. I'll click Sales on the columns list, and then select Statistics and request the mean. Here, if I were to click OK, I would simply be returned with the mean of all the sales figures in the entire dataset. Suppose I'm further interested, though, in breaking apart these sales on the basis of another variable. Here, perhaps the size of the company. I'll take size and cast this into the group. When I click OK, JMP will produce the data table showing us for big, medium, and small companies the average sales figures. Notice here that this data table is linked. Selecting big in the summary table also selects those observations in the original dataset.